Okay, now that we have our truss completed in whatever form or shape that you and your partner chose, we are going to go ahead and make a surface model, and we are going to make some individual popsicle sticks that can be used on the top to tie things together as needed. You will need these parts in your assembly, so make sure you make them. All right, so we are going to do this by starting with a new part and start 2D sketch. This time we're going to choose the XZ plane because this will be flat on the surface. And I'm going to choose the rectangle tool this time. I'm going to kind of draw out something flat. I want it to be 4 inches wide and hit tab, and I want it to be 22 inches long. Enter. And let's zoom that back into the screen. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's our surface. You may choose a different length, but 22 inches I know gets me across the 20-inch required span, and 4 inches is the length of the popsicle stick. So I'm going to pretend this is a bunch of popsicle sticks laying flat and hit Finish Sketch. Zoom it back into the picture and extrude that. I'm going to extrude it 0.125. Okay. And I'm going to save this file, save as, and choose your Google Drive. Mine's a little hard to find in here, but choose your Google Drive, and we are going to call this, we'll call it Bridge Surface. Call it Bridge Bottom, Bridge Road, whatever you want. Hit save. And we're done. So now we need to make individual popsicle sticks that we can also use. Hopefully you're saving these all in the same folder, by the way. So we're going to start a new part for this. So we have our bridge surface made. Let's do a popsicle stick. So part, start 2D sketch. Again, we're going to use the XZ plane. And again, rectangle tool. Pretty simple. We're going to do 0.375. That's going to be the width of one popsicle stick. Tab, and 4 inches. Enter. Zoom it back in. Finish sketch, and extrude this as well to 0.125. Okay. And let's put it back into the screen. So that's good. File save. Again, in the same folder, and this time I'm going to call it Bridge. We'll just call it Bridge Stick because it's one individual stick. Save. So now I've got my truss. I've got, or whatever shape you have, you've got your surface for the cars to roll on, and we have the individual sticks that we'll put on the top. These are actually going to be more like this size. Okay, so now that you have everything saved, we're ready to move on to our assembly in the next video. So get all this going and hopefully save it in the same folder and be all organized and ready to go.